Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by attaching the transmitter to the camera hot shoe. Mount the receiver under your off-camera flash until it clicks. Ensure physical contact is firm to avoid misfires. Turn on both transmitter and receiver and verify power LEDs are steady. Set your camera shutter speed to 1/200 or slower to match most sync requirements. Choose a 2.4 GHz channel and a group to prevent interference with nearby systems. Confirm the transmitter and receiver show the same channel and group before testing the system. Decide whether to use TTL or manual mode for the flash settings. TTL gives automatic exposure while manual gives predictable, repeatable output. If you need ambient control, set shutter to 1/200 and adjust aperture for depth of field. When shooting faster than sync, enable high-speed sync on both trigger and flash. High-speed sync preserves exposure but reduces effective flash power. Dial flash power in 1/3 or half stops to fine-tune brightness. Test a few frames and adjust before your shoot. Always test fire the system to confirm reliable triggering. Walk to your shooting positions and verify the flash fires within the trigger range, typically up to 30 meters. If you encounter misfires, try changing channels or groups to reduce radio interference. Move other wireless devices away and remove obstacles that block line of sight. For stubborn issues, attach a 3.5 mm sync cable between camera and flash as a wired backup. Keep spare batteries for both units to prevent power-related failures during a session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.